Are we truly gone forever when we die, or is there more that we don't know? Let's explore these unknown realms together and uncover the hidden truths of life after death. Welcome back, everyone. Here today we are diving into a topic that has intrigued humans since the dawn of time, the great beyond. Brace yourself, because we're about to shatter some myths and reveal surprising facts about what might lie ahead. But before we take this journey into the unknown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more such amazing content. So let's dive right in. Hidden truths of life after death. Truth number 1, only your physical body dies. Many religions and spiritual beliefs teach that our physical bodies are merely temporary vessels. According to this perspective, our true essence, consciousness, or soul is eternal and survives the death of the physical form. Some believe that after death, this essence moves on to an afterlife or continues its journey in a different realm of existence. This belief offers comfort to many, as it suggests that death is not the end, but a transition to another state of being. Truth number 2, near-death experiences. NDEs have provided valuable insights into what might occur after death. These experiences often involve a sense of leaving the body, traveling through a tunnel, encountering a bright light, and meeting deceased loved ones. While NDEs are subjective and vary among individuals, they offer glimpses into the possibility of an afterlife or a different state of consciousness that exists beyond our current understanding. Truth number 3, reincarnation and karma. In religions like Hinduism and Buddhism, the concept of reincarnation plays a significant role. Reincarnation means that after death, the soul is reborn into a new body. The cycle of birth, death, and rebirth continues until one reaches a state of enlightenment and breaks free from this cycle. Karma, or the law of cause and effect, influences the conditions of one's next life based on their actions in their current life. Now let's move on to the next section, exploring the afterlife. What awaits us beyond this life? Number 4, heaven and hell. Many religions describe heaven and hell as destinations for the soul after death. Heaven is often depicted as a place of eternal joy, peace, and rewards for those who have lived a righteous life. Conversely, hell is seen as a place of punishment and torment for those who have lived a sinful life. The concept of an afterlife with heaven and hell serves as a powerful motivator for individuals to strive for righteousness and avoid sin during their earthly existence. Number 5, Judgment Day. The idea of Judgment Day is prevalent in various faiths. It refers to a day when all humans will be held accountable for their actions during their lifetime. On this day, it is believed that the soul is judged, and based on its deeds, it is sent to either heaven, hell, or another realm of existence. The concept of Judgment Day emphasizes the importance of ethical conduct and the consequences of one's choices in life. Number 6, the underworld. Many cultures have beliefs and myths surrounding an underworld. This realm is often seen as a place where souls go after death, sometimes as a temporary resting place before moving on to other destinations. The underworld can be depicted as a dark and shadowy place, sometimes with mythical figures such as Hades or Anubis. Different cultures have varying beliefs about the nature and purpose of the underworld. Now let's move on to the next section. Voices from beyond, messages from the deceased and their impact on our lives. Number 7, spirit communication. Some people claim to be able to communicate with the spirits of the dead. Through methods such as seances, mediums, or by using special tools or techniques, they believe they can establish contact with souls that have passed on. These experiences are often highly personal and cannot always be proven or verified by scientific means. Number 8, cryptic phone calls. There have been instances where individuals have received phone calls from numbers they don't recognize, only to find out that the person on the other end is someone they know who has recently passed away. While these stories are intriguing, they are difficult to substantiate. Some attribute them to glitches in the system, while others see them as potential connections to the spirit world. Number 9, dreams and visions. People sometimes report having dreams or visions of deceased loved ones. These dreams may provide messages of comfort, guidance, or closure, or they may simply be the dreamer's way of coping with grief. Some believe that these dreams offer a way for souls to communicate with those still living, allowing them to share their well-being or deliver important messages. Now let's move on to the next section, unlocking the afterlife secrets revealed by those who've crossed over. Number 10, past life regression. Through techniques like hypnosis, some individuals claim to be able to access memories of past lives. In past life regression therapy, the therapist guides the subject into a deep state of relaxation and then asks them questions about their past lives. The subject may then begin to share memories, experiences, or even skills that they had no prior knowledge of. Proponents of past life regression believe it can provide insights into the nature of the soul and the possibility of reincarnation. Number 11, mediumship. Mediums are individuals who claim to possess the ability to communicate with spirits. They often use their abilities to deliver messages from spirits to the living, providing them with closure or guidance. While some view mediums as genuine channels of communication with the dead, others remain skeptical and believe that mediums exploit people's grief or use cold reading techniques to obtain general information about the spirits they claim to contact. Number 12, psychic abilities. Some people claim to have psychic abilities that enable them to perceive things beyond the range of normal human senses. These abilities, which include telepathy, clairvoyance, and precognition, are said to allow individuals to communicate mentally, see beyond physical limitations, and predict future events. While there is no scientific evidence to support the existence of psychic abilities, some believe that these abilities can provide a link to the afterlife or a way to gain insight into the world of spirits. Now let's move on to the next section. Is death the end? Surprising insights into life after life. Number 13, life after death evidence. Throughout history, there have been numerous accounts of life after death. These accounts, which come from individuals who have had near-death experiences, have described similar themes such as an out-of-body experience, a tunnel of light, and a sense of peace. While these experiences cannot be scientifically proven, they provide intriguing perspectives on what may occur after death. Number 14, soul energy. Some believe that the human soul possesses energy that continues even after the body dies. This energy, often referred to as soul energy, is said to play a role in near-death experiences and the ability to connect with the dead. The concept of soul energy is not widely accepted in the scientific community, but it remains an interesting aspect of discussions about life after death. Number 15, the continuity of consciousness. The idea that consciousness is continuous and does not end at death is a prominent theme in some spiritual and religious beliefs. This belief suggests that the essence of who we are persists beyond physical death, possibly existing in a different form or state of being. Proponents of this view believe that death is merely a transition and that consciousness continues to evolve and expand. Now let's move on to the next section, death-defying records. Number 16, top speed. The world record for the fastest speed ever achieved is held by the Bugatti Bolide, which is capable of reaching a top speed of 200 miles per hour. This mind-boggling speed was recorded in 2021 and showcases the incredible advancements in automotive technology. Number 17, quarter-mile record. Speaking of speed, the record for the quickest quarter mile belongs to the Shelby GT500 with an elapsed time of 8.77 seconds. This record was set in 2020 and demonstrates the sheer power and performance of this remarkable vehicle. Now let's move on to the next section, research tips. Number 18, advanced search features. When conducting research, it's essential to utilize advanced search features to refine your queries and obtain more precise results. By employing Boolean operators such as and, or, and not, you can control how search engines combine keywords to generate relevant results. For instance, searching for life after death and near-death experiences will yield results that pertain to both topics simultaneously. Number 19, refine queries. It's crucial to review and adjust your queries based on the initial outcomes of your research. By examining the first page of search results, you can assess the effectiveness of your keywords and search terms. If the results aren't relevant, consider modifying your query or using different search operators to achieve better results. Number 20, verify personal history. It is prudent to conduct checks on your own history, ensuring the accuracy of your resume and previous records. Background checks can help verify your qualifications, employment history, and educational background, providing employers with a greater sense of confidence in your credentials. Additionally, verifying your personal history can help you maintain a positive reputation and credibility. Number 21. Identify reliable sources. Prioritizing reputable sources such as textbooks and encyclopedias is crucial for obtaining accurate background data. These sources are typically well-researched and provide a solid foundation for understanding complex topics. By consulting authoritative references, you can ensure that your research is grounded in reliable information. So there you have it, 21 hidden truths about life after death, surprising insights and research tips to guide your exploration of this captivating topic. Remember, the journey of discovery is in your hands. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep seeking the answers that lie beyond. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking the truth. Thanks for watching.